Want to create chat shortcuts in Tawk.to? Chat shortcuts, also known as shortcuts or canned responses, let you quickly insert pre-written replies into conversations, helping you answer common questions faster and provide more consistent customer support. In this guide, I'll show you how to create chat shortcuts in Tawk.to step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, sign into your Tawk.to account and select the property where you want to create chat shortcuts. Make sure you have permission to manage shortcut responses. Next, open the administration section and navigate to the shortcuts area. This is where you can create, edit, organize, and manage your saved chat responses. Click Create Shortcut or Add Shortcut, then enter a shortcut name or trigger along with the message you want to reuse. You can create responses for greetings, frequently asked questions, troubleshooting steps, business hours, or closing messages. Save your new shortcut and open a live chat conversation. Type the shortcut trigger in the message box, then select the matching shortcut to insert the saved response instantly. Review the message before sending it to the customer. Finally, return to the shortcuts page whenever you need to edit, rename, or delete a shortcut. Keeping your responses accurate and well organized helps your team provide faster, more consistent customer support. Reviewing your shortcuts regularly ensures customers always receive up-to-date information, and that's how to create chat shortcuts in Tawk.to. By using saved responses for common questions, you can reply more quickly, improve consistency, and deliver a better support experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.